What's the secret ingredient in your chili?
Beer.
Do you guys use this at family traditions, holidays? Do you make it for?
No, just pretty much deer camp. And in the winter, obviously.
My secret ingredients are hot Italian sausage, venison. There is also Texas seasonings and garden fresh tomatoes. And the ultimate secret recipe is I have honey and peaches in there. And little chocolate. Anything I could find in the kitchen I threw in there.
So how long has this chili been being made in your family?
Oh, about 2 days.
2 days only?
Yeah.
So not a very long tradition, you just kind of make it up on the go?
Yeah.
How spicy or on a level would you compare this to any other chili?
I think it's probably the hottest one here.
All right, so I see that your last name is Saxton. So there's a family rivalry going on?
There is. We were cooking up a storm in the kitchen last night, fighting over a little cumin and a little chili spice.
What's the main difference between their chili and your chili?
They're completely different recipes. This is the first time that we've been to Winterfest, and this is our first chili competition, so.
What is all in your chili?
Turkey burger, molasses, apples, tomatoes, onions, celery.
And you have 2 chilies here now, so.
Both the same, and we thought we would bring extra just in case we had a really big crowd.
And and with it being so good, I'm sure everybody wants to eat it too.
We had a couple come and get second, so that tells me pretty good.
It's a basic chili recipe. It's got beef and pork in it, diced tomatoes, and there's a beer. I put a Leinenkugel's berry Weiss in it, and that gives it a real fruity flavor.
Okay, very cool. How long has this recipe been in your family?
I've only been doing it for the last few months, actually. I'd say for the last 4 or 5 months.
Is this the first time you entered this competition then?
Yeah, it is. It's the first time I've done any chili cook-off contest.
All right, well, good luck today.
Yeah, thanks.
What is the secret ingredient, or what it consists of this chili here?
Well, there's a lot of different flavors in it. I put butter in it. I have a secret ingredient I can't tell you about. I put beer in it. It has to be a certain kind of beer. Lots of different kinds of beans and some chilies and just a little of this, little of that.
What do you think makes your chili unique to everyone else's now that you kind of have experienced them all?
Well, I don't use ground meat. I use I get a cut of beef, or in this case bison, a variety of chili called a guajillo, and that's the prominent chili, though I use other chilies as well.